morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning you see this bowl. This bowl is full of beef. I'm talking full. And Regina says it's probably 30 pounds. I don't know. Somewhere between 20 and 30, if not more. Who knows? Anyway, I'm getting ready to can this. I'm going to make some with just beef in it and some with beef stew in it. And I'm going to cut it up now into chunks, get all the fat off, everything off, and I'll bring you back when I'm finished with it. Okay, I finally got all this ready to go, and I'm going to start canning it. Thanks to Regina. Regina cut up the carrots and the onions. I peeled the potatoes. She cut up the celery. I cut up the meat. So, and she helped with the potatoes too, but I peeled them all and she helped cut them up. Because it took me so long on this meat. I have no idea how much this is, but I've got this method now. What is it? A mad method or whatever. So, but let me tell you about the potatoes. These are red potatoes, and I peeled them all, but I didn't like the little places on there. I didn't worry about those. I figure it'll go through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put carrots first. I'm going to do, these were huge carrots. I got them at the produce store yesterday in Roanoke. And so I'm going to put a layer of carrots, just like that, in the bottom. Then I'm going to do a layer of red onions, because that's what they gave me. Half a cup of red onions, a half a cup of celery, and then a cup of potatoes, and then meat. And I'm just using my hands because I don't have any gloves. So I'm going to pack the meat down in here. And this might not be enough. Oh, shoot. This isn't very much meat in here, so I'm going to have to cut it down some. But you can mash it down in there. Plus, I got to debubble it. But then I'm going to also put in a teaspoon of minced onions and a 3/4 of a tablespoon of canning salt. And I'll bring you back when I get all these done, and I'll show you. Okay, I've got 7 jars filled up here. So what I've done is, I'll tell you again, I've got carrots in the bottom, then I've got onions, celery, potatoes, and beef, and I've got 1 teaspoon of minced onion and 3/4 tablespoon of canning salt. And now I'm going to, let me have my little, that plus the other, this. Now I'm going to put hot water in here. I've got my canner going. It's coming up now. I've got to fill all this up with water and debubble it. Water's still going down. Alright, I'm going to take my, Alright, I'm going to take my debubbler thing, go down in here. I'm still going to have some more water. These are going to take more water than I thought. And you want them within 1 inch to the bottom of the rim right there. And I've got to go around all of it, make sure there's no bubbles. Alright, and then I'm going to the next one. I'm going to hand this to Regina. Regina is going to wipe off the rim of the can and then put the lid on and then the ring and set it in the pressure canner. And these are quarts, so these are gonna can for 90 minutes. And I'll do one more and show you. Alright, I'm gonna get the hot water. And I'm leaving it because this was, some of this meat had just, I tried to get off all the fat that I could off of the meat, but there may be some more on there. I mean, a little bit on in here. So I'm gonna maybe not go quite so far up. Yeah, that's probably good. See, right there. And the meat's going to put off liquids and too, so I'm going to take it all the way up there to that. And I've got 7 quarts that I'm doing, and this is all that I've used. So I've probably got about 21 quarts, but I'm going to make 14 of the stew, and then probably 7 of just stew meat. Alright, so I'm going to get up here and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to tell you, to show you that I got, there's my beef. I got 17 jars of, let's see, it was 14 jars of stew, 3 jars of just the beef, like this is all beef. And then I got a whole Instant Pot, the 8-quart Instant Pot, that I made into like a stew for here. And that was 8 quarts, so out of that meat, I really got a lot. The only thing that happened was one of the jars did break in the canner, and this is the 2nd jar in the past week that has broken. Just the bottom just comes out of it. And I've had these jars for a good, let's see, the last time I canned was in 2012, so it's been 6 years, and they were used before that. And I don't know whether the jars get old. I'm asking you because I don't know whether they do or not, but 2 of those jars have broken this week. So if you know the answer to that, they've all been washed, they've all been checked, and when they go in that canner, they're perfect. But with chicken, the bottom came out, and with one of my beef stews, the bottom came out. So if you know the answer, let me know. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and below there'll be links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycom Farm Fresh Meats. And you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.